So make it stable. Then slice thinly. And we are going to make thin matchsticks. Sprinkle with pinch of salt, and sooner or later it will be sweating. And then we are going to stir fry. Just leave a little here. So this one leftover stir fry rice, you can use this. And then zucchini. Zucchini is when it's cooked really tasty, and also especially when you mix with rice and juicy and sweet. Wow, one zucchini make that really lots of matchsticks, a lot. And also sprinkle with salt. And I'm going to use this just a little bit. Slightly I'm going to cook also. It's really tasty. Cucumber flavor and plus crispy texture is really good. And also salt. This is filet mignon part. You have to ask your butcher. So, oh, I'm going to use beef tartare. We are going to eat raw beef. So which one is the most fresh? Thin matchsticks like this. Lots of garlic. And this is soy sauce. It's honey and lots of sesame oil. Sesame seeds. Cover this. Let's keep in the refrigerator until we use this. Some salt and garlic, sesame oil. For this bibimbap, I don't do this to make it. I like to make it kind of yellow color stand out. And I will show you next important ingredient. You know this one is gosari. Gosari is a Korean fun break. And cut. That's the way that we handle this dried bell flower root, doraji. Here, let's add some salt. Rubbing with the salt, bitterness comes out from bell flower roots. And also, it makes it a little softer. this here. This amount. If this is too thick, you need to split this. Like that. Tear easily. So these colorful vegetables we are going to cook from now. Carrot is this water comes out now juicy. Red bell pepper, and this is zucchini. Zucchini also sweating. Cucumber also sweating. So we are going to slightly cook. I will use my burner because easily you guys can see. When you make the real traditional bibimbap, all ingredients are cooked. We always little slightly cook. Squeeze out excess water and add this. Quickly saute. Beautiful. And make it a little tender. This wet towel, I just clean up quickly. Add some cooking oil. And next, cucumber. Cucumber has a lot of water. I like to squeeze out a little bit. Then add it. You can add some garlic and little sesame oil. Here. And then red bell pepper. You can add some salt. So put this in here. Each time I saute the ingredient, and then I like to clean up because I don't want to see that all mixed color. The individual ingredient, so taste is different. And this is zucchini. Zucchini also lots of water drawn out. So squeeze out. And garlic. And sesame oil. You can add some green onion, chopped green onion too. Okay. So now I will put it here. Let's add some garlic and sesame oil too. With wet towel. It's well soaked, very, very tender. Or honey, sugar. I will add some sugar here. Dolso bibimbap. This is earthenware bowl. Sometimes dolso in stone bowl or earthenware bowl they serve in here. So a few drops of sesame oil here and rice. 나 육회. Egg yolk. Put this on your stove and turn on. Rice is cooking. For my regular bibimbap, I'm going to add some sunny side up. Serve with gochujang, hot pepper paste. Sesame oil. So this beef is going to be cooked while you are mixing. My God. Badem Pak is a little Luligy. It's burnt. You see? Look at that. So wow, tasty looking.